Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
Hi, welcome to Bike Hunters, and I'll be honest, I do a bike check, so I'm just going to that really quickly now. Right, so the first thing is mainly is the frame, which is a felt Volt, this is the 2012 version. I've got some cork handlebars, that is it, fit the sticker. There's a felt stem, I don't really know what model that is. Some felt forks, this is mainly a felt bike. I've run 2 pegs because that's the easiest, but I can do nothing on them yet. Some Odyssey pedals, like the ones you saw last time in the giveaway, but they aren't this. X-Rims rims, and Trailer Park tyres from Mongoose. Felt seat, most of this stuff is what come with the bike. My sprocket's the favourite part of the bike. This is your sprocket.
Who's are you, bitch?
Favourite part of the bike, the sprocket. And I forgot what. I think it's another cork brake lever, brake line, and Tektro brake lever. It's a really good bike. I've had it for about 4 months now since I started riding properly. And yeah, so is my coffin. I've got a really bad cough at the minute. But anyway, yeah, this is the bike I ride. As I said, 4 months riding, and 4 months from this. I used to do dirt on my old bike, but I decided to get this and try parts. So that's what I've been trying more recently. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is my bike.